Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to remove an admin from your Google Ads account. Log into your Google Ads account. Click on Settings and Billing. Under Account section, click on Access and Security. Here you can see the list of all accounts which has access to your Google Ads account. To remove an account, click on Remove Access. Click on Remove Access again to confirm. As you can see, access to the account has been removed. This is how you can remove an admin from your Google Ads account. Thank you for watching.